I built this small hydroponic system to explain and show how hydroponics works. This video is for educational purposes, and everything shown here is meant to help you understand the basics of soilless gardening. Here's the A-shaped metal frame I built. This A-frame is easy to assemble. Now, I'm adding the growing tubes. These are 3-inch PVC pipes. I'm using 2-inch tees and pipes to collect water from all the growing tubes. All drainage pipes go straight down to the reservoir. I'm using a 35-watt submersible water pump placed inside the reservoir. Filling the reservoir with clean water. Adding the nutrient solution. This feeds the plants without soil. Now I'm using the net cups and hydroponic sponges to place the seedlings inside. Finally, place the net cups with seedlings into the water and nutrient solution. Turn on the pump and watch the magic happen.